Hi everybody, Crystal here. I am going to talk about sterilization techniques with your ReLeaf and how to care for it. I've been getting a lot of questions on that, so hopefully this will help address all of them and give you some tips for success. Start off, you're going to still have this connected to your high volume suction. You got the patient out of there. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my wipes. And I'm going to go ahead and wipe it down completely, all the way down to where it's connected into your HVE. Then after I've wiped it, I'm going to go ahead and take my jug and do the typical suck down procedure with my VibraClean tablet. So I'm going to fill it with water, drop my tablets in here, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to do a suction with it. What that's going to do is help flush out the lines completely. Then I'm going to take this leaf off and throw it away. So at that point in time, I've gotten the majority of the debris out of my line here. I'm going to then separate this here, and I will then take my wipe and wipe everything down one more time. We're going to leave this connected to the high volume suction with this part in the cradle. This is in the trash. I'm going to have these parts here. I'm going to wipe them down again, and I'm going to take them on into my sterilization room. And I'm going to take a straw brush, nice, just regular straw brush. We don't want to use the wire brush on this. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just clean out the inside. I'm going to separate it out so I can get the tube and I can get the U. Rinse them out. I'm going to go ahead and put them in my ultrasonic at that point in time. Then after the ultrasonic, I'm going to pull them out and I'm going to go ahead and put them in my sterilization pouch. This then will be run through your sterilization cycle on a plastic mode, a wrapped plastic mode. Once it comes out from there, you need it to fully dry in here because that is part of the sterilization procedure. And then from there, these are going to go on your trays and you're going to have a new leaf put on the tray so those are set and ready for your next patients. Hopefully that answers all of your questions. Also, I do want to mention, I get a lot of requests. These are autoclavable up to 1,000 cycles, as well as the long hoses. So we're recommending these are autoclaved between every patient. These are recommended autoclaved weekly. However, during COVID, I do have a lot of offices that are running these at the end of every day just to be safe.